Alright, so I want to make a special announcement before this video starts. Happy birthday to Choker, my brother Ryan. He's the one that makes and edits all these videos, except for this video he edited, but I'm throwing this out there. So we're going to have a little montage of happy birthdays from everybody. You gotta say happy birthday to Ryan.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Tuna?
Crazy dogs.
Say happy birthday. Daisy? Happy birthday! There you go. Hey.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Look at the camera.
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Alright guys, so today we're just gonna bolt up a few things to this Fox body. I already put the fucking front bumper on. Gonna put the hood on. I was gonna put the tranny cross member on, but I can't find the bolts for it. I'm connecting the drive shaft and a few little things, and then I'm gonna move this car out, and I'm bring the BMW back in, and we're gonna start working on the LS BMW. This thing will get parked for a little bit. But besides that, that's all we're gonna do to this thing today, and then we're gonna take Curtis's car, head over to Ryan's place, and we're gonna make it shoot flames. Hooking up the drive shaft. Prop it up onto the plastic towel.
You want to do the bottom bolts first?
My last made me feel like I would never again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Oh, you know, before you let me know, damn something, but you just gotta know it.
I rolled it up, crack it loose, and fucking tap the mounts on the hammer.
And what are these? Right on the wire.
Well, I guess we gotta delete the AC.
Yeah. Yeah.
That bitch is in the way.
Yeah, I don't want to
So we're gonna try to one of these.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What's going on with the T-bird?
Gonna make it spit flames, bro. Shoot flames.
What do you need to do for that?
We're gonna install this spark plug with the coil underneath the exhaust, and then it just ignites all the unburned fuel.
Shit's hot. It is really hot.
What do you gotta do?
Figure out what we can pull for an ignition wire so we could splice into it so we can kill power. Pick up signal. One of those wires are at. You run that ignition wire to 87A on a relay, so that's always getting power, and then when you press the button, it kills power on 87A and then gives power to 87, which would be your igniter. So instead of having two switches, and then you just have one button, and that's it. You rev the fuck out of it, hold, bang, bang, bang.
Right here, bro.
Great. Unneeded air right there, bro. 91T for T5.
91 T-bird, T5,
I just finished this patch panel right here. It actually turned out pretty good. It kind of looks shitty, but that's what Bondo's for, right?
I have a video of this actually before.
Oh yeah?
I did a scan thing of like this.
Yeah.
So I'll do like before and after.
Yeah, and I don't think I filmed the other side. I got the other side here. You probably got the before shot too. This side is really bad. Like I literally didn't even know what I was working with.
Perfect.
And then got floor pans. I think yeah, they've already seen that.
You got GoPro footage of Bond doing this, right?
Chill.
Do you?
No, I just fucking didn't use Bondo, you fucking asshole.
Whatever you did. I don't know.
Oh,
I'll fix
metal,
it.
bro.
Fix.
Metal, bro. Oh, I
fucking, I got this fucking rocker panel here too. Rebuilt that boy. I got some undercoat now. So I'm just gonna undercoat like the wheel well area and shit in here. Looks not bad, you know? So next I just need to fucking, this is the next boy right here I gotta do. So I'll probably cut that like in there, make a piece, weld it in. And I think that's about it for the metal work and until my quarter panels come in. And when I get my quarter panels I can do those. And then it's pretty much done for metal work. And then I can like put some primer sealer on the car kind of thing, order up my fucking window gaskets, get the windows back in it. I got my V8 front brakes and shit. I just need a diff and then I can make the car a roller. Hopefully a diff's coming pretty soon because I think I'm just going to cave and use like a Ranger diff with the drums and just use the drum brakes. So fuck it, you know.
Disc up front, drum out rear.
Yeah, it's close enough, you know. Literally everybody at the meet had the same setup, so. And it'll just be cheap, easy, and I can always convert to discs, I think, because it's all the same diff, right? It's an 8.8, I can even put the Mustang discs on.
I think so.
That I have brackets for.
Yeah.
And discs too. I'll probably do that just for fun, because I like doing little small things like that. It's kind of fun and real gratifying, because it only takes like an hour or so, and you're like, yeah. And people think it's like super hard to like patch shit like that, but it's actually not. Shit, probably take my brake master out. Fucking get a new one in there. Not that that one's bad, it's just it's a single boy. So like if you have a
This thing?
yeah, so if you blow brake line or something, you lose all your brakes. The modern stuff, there's 2 chambers, so you only lose one side of your brakes. So I'll put a more modern one in that in theory probably goes for those with those 70 Mustang front brakes and shit. Yeah, I just need to finish welding the bottom of the fucking trans down to the floor too. It's kind of been holding back on that, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. What you looking at? Alright. How the fuck are we gonna make this?
The camera's in your ear.
Again.
Because momentary would work if you're running a relay with the 87A and the regular 87.
Because that would turn it on.
Turn it on and turn it off.
Yeah.
What you'd want.
Unless you had a relay. Because couldn't a relay technically like reverse it? Right? Like if you had your ignition cut wired to the relay as normally open, and when you press the switch, that would break the relay and break your ignition.
But you got a relay upstairs.
That would do that.
It's just a double 87.
So it's just
Once you give it power, you'd need an ignition switch to do what you're trying to do, and it wouldn't really matter. You can just do that from a regular switch.
get a toggle.
Did I say toggle upstairs?
I did the last one in Jamie.
Let's go get a switch.
You switch on with the next scene.
Boom. Switch it up. Watch, I'm gonna snap my fingers, and then there's gonna be switching between my fingers. Ready?
Oh, this guy's crazy, bro.
Put your shirt on, take a thing, and then I'll be like, yo, where'd your shirt go? What the fuck?
Where was that one party?
Just gonna splice into the fucking ignition wire, the main ignition wire for the TFI module. And we're gonna fucking run it to a switch so we can shut it off and on. So that he can shoot fucking flames, bro. So we're gonna make this bitch pop.
You make it power down? Yeah, I heard you. Like loud and clear, no problem. That's Curtis.
It's that loud.
That is
Yeah,
so.
but when you're driving up the road, it's not that loud. It just kind of echoes. You travel.
You hear you're literally a mile away.
Yeah?
It's fucking
Dude, it
cannons.
works good. Did she play? Did you play?
I see. I think a little.
Go across the bridge and shit. It'd be sick.
Oh, at the meet, that's gonna be good. Oh!
Dude, it only works on decel though. When you excel and hit the thing, it goes what? And the motor just like tries to like shut down.
Yeah.
But if you let go and hit it, it boom, boom, and you can do it over and over.
We heard you.
It's on a switch. I have an explosion just on a switch, like boom, 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 like. And the longer you hold it, the bigger the bang. If you hold it for 2, 3, right before the motor stalls, boom, and then it's like, bang! It shoots out like
Because
an
it's
echo.
still
Because it's still pumping fuel, yeah.
Nice.
So fucking stupid.
On diesel, did you try throttle fucking it on
Civic
diesel?
guy to fucking shame.
Yeah. Try throttle fucking on diesel because it might fucking squirt the extra fuel.
Save that for the meat though.
I will, yeah. Now we've had our fun. That was, dude, we're going around like, oh my god.
Oh, I think we called Jeff out. He's like, I hear it's been working.
You got popped?
Or not.
I bet you heard the fucking popping though, and he's like, oh, I should go check it out. Yo, did you hear us fucking popping around?
Yo, hop in. Hop in. Let's go for a ride.
And I was hoping it was you. was that this guy? No! No! It actually worked.
Popping, he like fucking cannons, bro.
Wait till you're a country mile away this time.
Yeah, dude, down by the diamonds.
Yeah, I heard it all the way at my house. No. Down there.
Yeah?
Like on
We
the
did it right by your place.
Jared, like, listen, you'll hear it. Like,
Yo,
go to the perimeter though.
and we'll still hear you.
Oh, on the perimeter, that's hard. That's really fucking. Holy fuck!
Yo, Kurt, that was fucking insane, though.
Yeah?
That was sick. Dude, a couple of them startled me. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I was really flinching. I was like, ugh. Dude, this guy turned his lights off for some.
I know, I saw.
That was sick. Those shots probably looked dope.
Yeah, straight. I was struggling to steer, but.
That thing's fucking sick.
Holy, what the fuck?
Mission accomplished today.
Dude, literally?
I
think we're the first people to do that mod.
Mission accomplished,
up.
I searched it up.
Mission accomplished.
Keep rolling.
Let's go.
I searched up DIY ignition cut.
Mission
Alright, searched
accomplished.
up fire.
I had all the fucking windows up, and it's like I feel my floor pan just like. Boop, boop.
Dude, next car show.
We gotta put the spark plug in and see if that does anything. And we gotta figure out how we can overfuel that thing.
Well,
Just
what's-
the O2s.
which way fucking
Okay, we
We
gotta
make it run good.
isn't
Like a
if you advance the time or if you
retard the timing.
it'll pop more on diesel.
No, but the computer's gonna make up for it.
But isn't that bumped up?
Unplug the thing.
Smell connector?
Yeah.
That just puts it back to the initial timer with no advance at all. So it's
that's
gonna be the
exactly
same.
what we want.
No, it's gonna be the same no matter what.
Oh.
Alright.
No, try pulling the O2s one day though.
Yeah,
It
start
might
plugging them.
it might lay a flame on diesel if it's hot enough,
Oh yeah, 100%. Dude,
because they'll be dumping more fuel without the O2.
my 5 liter, my S95 is shot flames with O2 disconnected with no H pipe.
Which Mustang?
My one run interior. When I did manual stop, I started up, open headers, and fucking shot flames. So if I can do that on a Mustang with no switch in the ignition cut, you could do it.
What are you doing? You have like a switch installed?
Yeah, we put a switch in.
Just
So you just flick the switch. It cuts power to
I
ignition.
cut it, and the longer you hold it, the more.
The more fuel dumps in.
Or, but you can wait too long. If you wait too long and hit it, nothing happens. It just nothing happens.
You just gotta make sure you don't
It's like
wash
perfect. You got. I usually count
wash oil.
the big ends. I count to 3.
Things
Like,
gonna
I
need
go
to set
1,
ring
2,
lines in about a year.
Sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta time.
Cost me a new block.
And then the first underpass, I waited.
Yeah, I was like,
I was like, oh, I missed it.
And then the Tesla that flew by us and fucking got in front of this guy.
Fucking put the shit on. Put the camera on.
It's just the
fucking
corners. Straight up, I
Yeah.
can probably keep up, but the corner, I can't do the corners, and she doesn't slow down good enough to.
Keep up for what?